5 affordable bridal skin prep tips for flawless wedding makeup to see if they really make a difference. Oftentimes, bride experiences skin issues on their wedding day. Let's see if the product on this video is actually worth bridal makeup. Hello lovelies, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a highly requested makeup video. We are in the Ember season, and this is the season where we get to have lots of bridal bookings, and bookings are clashing left, right and center. So here again, I have had a lot of requests on my comment section on how I do my bridal makeup. Here is my beautiful dark skin bride, now called Mrs. Herring. Yay! Welcome. Happy married life, and I wish you all the best, and thank you for patronizing me. Okay guys, back to you guys, my lovers. Let's get into timeless bridal look for dark skin. First off, I cleanse the skin because it's very important you keep the skin very clean, the clean canvas. You can't work on a dirty skin, and bridal makeup are usually long lasting because it's for the whole day. And here I am using the Blossom toner, the Blossom makeup remover, the Blossom cleanser to remove every dirty under this beautiful dark melanin skin, and I'm using that using a cotton pad. On this video I will also be showing you 5 beautiful affordable products you can use to achieve a long-lasting bridal makeup. And first on the list is this Blossom toner. Now I told her to just look up and not raise her head, and then I'm cleaning under those eyes properly, because for bridal makeup, see, there are reasons why we charge more. Bridal makeup is more expensive than your normal makeup. This is because it takes more time, it takes more techniques, and it takes more effort to pull everything through. Trust me, you don't want to make your bride cry. Now these two products I'm holding in my hands, the smaller one is called a makeup mist, and while the other one is called a setting spray. These two products are the same. I actually opened the bottle on this setting spray, poured it into this mist holder, and then this is something you usually charge. I like to do this for my bride because I like to keep them calm. Most time when I just spray the setting spray in their face, there's this shocking effect they give to me, like, this thing, oh ma, please, let me show you what I mean. This is exactly what I mean. As I spray this Bridal setting spray to give hydration to the face, did you see how she closed her eyes, and now it's as if the alcohol in it is making her struggle to breathe? See the expression on her face. And now look at these two things, they do the same thing. Most people pour water into this mix, and you know the funny thing, this mix I'm holding, I'm showing you like this, it's very expensive. It's not cheap, it's expensive. So for me, this one are packaging. If you are looking for affordable bridal product, just respectfully respect yourself to buy Bridal setting spray, or buy any other setting spray that works well for you, even if it's Kiss Beauty. Did you see the perfect example I just did? Now that other stuff, that setting is, for me, is a waste of my money. But then again, it's for packaging, because before I usually use it, I asked the bride, do you have luxury time? She said yes. Because that one, if you dey hurry for bridal makeup, no, just stay away from that thing. Yes, that thing is time consuming. But if a bride tells me you have 2 hours to yourself as my makeup artist, trust me, that's the effigy, one of the effigy I'll be giving to you. And then when I'm done with that, the second easy step is using your beauty blender to blend this thing, dab it into the skin, and this will be very okay, and it will work well on your foundation, because you don't need to wet your beauty blender again when that is properly dried, because each step must dry before you move to the next. This is what also make your bridal makeup to be very long lasting, because the skin is absorbing all of the products you are putting in. This third product is called Ateymamus and Bridal Serum Moisturizer. This is one moisturizer that is just perfect for your bridal makeup. To think that it is a Nigerian brand, around 7,000 naira. This product is good. And for bridal makeup, I don't usually use brushes. I like to use more of my fingers, because if you apply cream for your body, you know they use brush to rub cream for your body. True or false? True. So just the way I use hand till they rub my cream, my body cream for my body. Now so I did like use my hands stay warm every skin product into my bride skin. Now because also they have that time, if you don't have that time, I'm going to be skipping some of this stuff. I won't waste time blending like this. And as I'm blending it, are you seeing that I'm taking the excesses under her neck and above her hairline, because you need to really blend it well. See how the face is already glowing. Did you see how the skin is glowing? And I've not started adding all of the other products that I need to add. So bridal makeup is not your regular one makeup where you just say, I do now, hurry, fast, now, I don't let. When it comes to your skin prep for bridal, don't joke with it. Give it your all, give it your 100, because the bride go beat you, may you refund money if that makeup break, and if that makeup not go the way it's supposed to go. See the way I'm using my hands to be warming it, dabbing it into her skin, into all the pores that are already ready to absorb makeup. Are you seeing it? This is how we go. Then when I'm done using a mini fan to dry that, I will now go into the next step. Now for this next step, I'm applying this elf moisturizer. This product is just perfect for every skin type. It's an affordable moisturizer you see on this particular channel of mine. Why? Because this particular moisturizer is just perfect under the skin. It's one of those moisturizers that are perfect under makeup. Any foundation you use, whether water-based, good, and is lightweight. Are you seeing that because of all the product I've applied on the skin, our skin is already glowing? As in, the skin is already giving natural glow, and you can see that the face is already looking very bright. Okay, so I just apply all of this, and then when I'm done, massage that into the skin, and then that's that, while I gave her the fan to hold, because at this point I need this product to be drying. Now another third tip I want to give to you for bridal makeup is this: make sure each step dry before you move to the next. This tip is very important, especially if you want to see results. Now when this is properly dried, I move into the next skin prep, which is the Meron Prep Plus Prime. This is one important product you need in your box as a makeup artist, as a global makeup artist, as a bridal makeup artist, as an upcoming bridal makeup artist, as a professional makeup artist. Any English way you know, take and take film. This particular product is very important. What did you see me do? I pour that Meron Prep Plus Prime on my hand, and then I use the brush to be taking it, and I'm just applying it on her face. Now there's a theory that this particular product, this toner, helps to hold sweat. I don't know the magic behind it too. Now as the tape producer, now what they write now, they tell you so that it holds sweat and it make your makeup to last longer. The Nigerian brand for this product na Ezekiel. See, I am pouring it again, and each time before I pour this product, I usually shake it properly before pouring it into my hand, and then I put it more on the T-zone, on the forehead, on the nose, and on the cheek areas, on the brows to mattify it, areas where you know bride tend to sweat. Now under the chin, bride is sweat over for the most time, so kind dot sweat. So they say this product will work, and I never know the science and the magic behind that, but I've been using it for at least 10 years now, and it actually they work. But the truth be say, before you go tell me say you never see wetin dey hold your sweat at all, one thing I wan just tell you for this video na say sweat is inbuilt. We no go fit hold sweat. E be like person wan cry, you go make you not cry. Again, it's where you go fit take put for your eye to stop tears when tears they come. No. So please, This is not something that works 100%, so you know, so that you know also you go buy something wey you see for my channel because say I thought say e dey stop sweat. E dey stop sweat to some extent. It's not an 100% guarantee, but it's an 80% guarantee for me. And then the next thing I went into is using my Becca primer. And note guys, each of these products you apply must dry first before you move to the next, else wahala go dey. I'm not a joke o. Each product you apply must be properly dried before you move to the next. At this point you can see the bride is just holding the fan, the mini fan, to face her. When I'm done applying this Becca primer, is a mattifying primer. When I'm done applying this Becca primer, I go in with a setting powder. This is the fifth tips and affordable techniques you need for a long-lasting bridal makeup. This particular step, I know they all relieve am. I must take brush, take a setting powder. You can use RMCA or the lucent colorless one of Mira Cosmetics or Beauty by AD, or Lara Mencia, which is what I'm using now. Lara Mencia, because she's a bride. If she was not to be a bride, I would have used RMCA setting powder because that one is very affordable. This powder on the T-zone only, on the forehead, on the nose, and on the cheek. These techniques and these steps on this bridal makeup skin prep, when you master this skin prep, there's nothing that will make your makeup to not last. I had to take my time to properly define, explain, elaborate, expatiate, vividly explain and discuss this skin prep method, because when you follow this routine of mine, this is from beginners to professional. If you follow this technique just the way I have just did it, trust me, you are going to be a professional bridal makeup artist. These steps are basic, but they are styles that have passed the test of time. They are styles that can never go out of trend, trust me. When I am done with that, I will now go in with my fixing spray to just melt all of that into the skin before proceeding to foundation application. Watch out for my next bridal video. It's going to be the detailed foundation, highlight, contouring. On that part too, I will be completing everything about this Igbo bride. By the way, meet my friend. Her name is Ify and her business name is Clay Option. Follow her on Instagram. See, not be everything they say you do competition. Sometimes it's okay to have healthy friends and healthy competition. This friend of mine is somebody that got my back all day, anytime, any day in this makeup brand, okay? I don't care anyhow way anybody do, na then I know. Wetin I dey try tell you now, say she makes Igbo hair. And for any work where they shock me, this is one person that I can call and she got my back, okay? And yes, please do well to share this video with your friends, frenemies, upcoming makeup artists, village people, anybody with the work pass where they do makeup work. Share this video with them to up their game, and please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what you think about this entire makeup look. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.